In this video, I'll show you how to record your computer's internal audio using Audacity. Now, to enable internal audio recording, go to the top left-hand corner and click on Edit, and then select Preferences. Inside the Preferences menu, look for the setting called Host. By default, it is usually set to MME. Click on it and change it to Windows WASAPI. This mode allows Audacity to capture system or internal audio directly from your computer. Now, underneath that, you have to select your recording device. If you don't know what it is, simply hover your cursor over the speaker icon on Windows and it's going to show the name of your output device. Usually with the name on a bracket, it's going to say loopback. Now, you're ready to record whatever your computer is playing. Now, if you don't see the waveform moving immediately, don't worry. Just make sure something is playing on your computer. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye.